Let's fill out our profile and then add some tags and connect with some other attendees using the IBM Events mobile app for Vision 2016. First, we're going to go into My Event and fill out our profile. This is going to give us a little bit of a baseline where we can go in and tell the world a little bit more about ourselves. You're going to click View My Profile. And then we have a couple of different areas in which we can edit. We can change our profile just by tapping on it, and you can choose to import from LinkedIn or choose from a library. I've already selected a good mom-approved photo to put into my photo square. To edit your profile more fully, you'll click the Edit Profile button. I'm going to choose to edit manually, but you can use the LinkedIn API as well. From here, you can tell us a little bit more about your name, your company, your position, and more about where you're from. And again, all editable fields right here within the Edit Profile section. In addition to that, you're going to want to add some tags to your profile. Consider these search keywords that you can use to tell other attendees a little bit more about yourself. Just click the Add Tag button. I'll be presented with a list of tags that may apply to myself. For instance, I'm going to choose Cognos, Controller Accounting, and Government, and then click Save. These will then stick to my profile in the Tag section. Now, I want to find some more attendees that I can network with here at IBM Vision. There's going to be a few great ways in which I can do this. I'm going to scroll over to the Attendees section to get started. In the Recommended field, this is where these tags are going to pay off. The more tags that you match with someone on, the higher they'll end up on this list of recommended attendees. So for instance, Susan here connected with me on 2 tags, so I can add her and then click into her profile and learn a little bit more about what she's up to. In addition, I can just search a total attendee list where anybody has opted into this list will end up. And I can add people by name. So if I know a coworker is here, I can click to add them to my favorites. And then finally, we can use the Around Me section. At the networking lounge at the Hilton, we're going to be dropping iBeacons. These are Bluetooth sensors that allow people to interact with their environment. Anybody in this zone who has their Bluetooth activated is going to appear in a list for users so that you can make physical connections starting off in the digital world. At any point, if you want to adjust your privacy settings to either show or not be shown here in these attendee features, you can click Settings. And if you're not interested in being in the attendee list, you can opt out. In addition, you can choose not to allow direct messages from other attendees.